You know what I forgot? I forgot a lav mic now. Completely forgot to use it. Next time. Good evening, guys. Oh, hang on. I put my filters on. Good evening, guys. I've just come out of the dentist. I've had 2 fillings, so if I start dribbling, I apologise. Oh. Other way. So I hope you're all doing well. First off, a little thank you. My previous video about the Micro Four Thirds versus full frame has kicked off completely. I've gained I don't know how many new subscribers for it. Where am I going? This way? And I've had a lot of really good interaction with you lot as well. So yeah, plenty of people have different thoughts on the matter, and I've been more than happy to discuss each way with it. This is really numb. So, as I was saying, thank you very much. It took me about 1.5 years to get to 100 subscribers, and now I'm on over 160 something, which is mental, really. But yeah, after the dentist, I thought it's a beautiful evening. I spent the rest of my day indoors so far planning a shoot, so see if I can work anything this evening. Over there behind me, no, you can't see it, but over that way we've got Bryn Allen, which is a limestone escarpment. I have done a video there before. It was just a little update video, but you get a terrific view of a lot of the Clwydian Range, including Mulvami, which is the highest peak. And on evenings like this, as the sun's going down, the whole lot gets silhouetted, very often with absolutely gorgeous coloured sky, which I think may well happen tonight. But I've never been this way. I don't know where I am right now. I'm just going to try and find something a little bit different. Trying to get to slightly higher ground. See where we end up. Oh, that's a lot of cloud. I have a feeling there's actually a quarry around this way as well. No idea if I could get anywhere near it, but might be something interesting there. We'll have a gand. So as I was saying, one of my favourite spots around here is Bryn Allen, which is this one here. And then that looks over that way past the trees where the sun's setting now. That's where you got the Clwydian Range. That's a really lovely spot. It's dead easy to get to. You can probably see that's the main road there. You just follow it to a lay-by and you just walk all the way to the top. It's my favourite kind of walk, short and easy. I think I might have found my quarry. So it's guaranteed to be absolutely no access, but surprising what sort of shots you can get from far at times. Maybe it's not a quarry, it might just be a wall. But there is a path, we'll have a look down there, I think. think I found the perfect spot almost. So my initial idea for coming out up this way was to try and capture Bryn Allen, which is there. That's the limestone escarpment I was on about. Really catching the evening sun, which will be coming down from this way. Unfortunately, there's a load of cloud on the horizon, so no sunset tonight, I don't think. But I know where I am now, and I actually might just hang around a little bit more. Maybe just wander around this area a little bit further. You never know. Sometimes the best light is after sunset, so we'll hang around a bit longer. Was it droopy? It's definitely droopier than the other side, isn't it? Oh well. So you can see, I've taken a few little shots. You can see a bit of colour in the sky already, which was not there before. So with any luck, it might intensify even further, but we'll see. I said the light might kick off, didn't I? Just leave it a little bit longer. Still going to grab a shot, obviously. So, just while we're waiting for something to maybe happen, just a little word of encouragement or advice, really. So, if you're ever in a situation where you think, so it's really nice out, should really make the effort to just be outside, go and do it. So, listen to yourself. Just go and get out there. I've always got a camera in the back of my car wherever I go. I always bring it in at night. I never just leave it there, but I always just stick it in, even if it's just a little GX8. I've got something on me. Yeah, this was just a little unplanned trip after the dentist. I'm probably still talking funny, I can't tell. For many years, I think I might have mentioned it before, but I used to be a chef for a good few years, and I never really had evenings to myself. Very often I'd be in work till 9, 10 o'clock, even later at times. Even then, I've worked behind bars at times where you're there till 12, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. This is the most chilled out I've been all week, I think. Just completely by myself. Just sat in the field. There's some sheep over there. Just waiting to see what happens. I'm not too bothered if I don't get a shot. I don't really think the light's going to do anything at all now. All those lovely golden clouds are now just grey. But yeah, heed that advice. I'm having been stuck in that situation for so many years, not having my evenings, like coming home in the dark no matter what time of the year. I'm trying to really take as much advantage of it as I can now, just being able to be outside while it's warm. And yeah, potentially getting some shots in the bag. So I'll leave that with you. Like I say, I think the light has just died off completely now, but hey, it's another location that I now know of, I'm aware of, and I'll definitely have to come back at some point to try and get that shot of Bryn Allen. I'll probably leave it there, I think. Thank you very much for watching, including all you new subscribers. If you're not subscribed already, please do hit the little subscribe button down the bottom there and click the notification bell as well. That'll let you know when I post a new video for you to see. And if you'd like to discuss anything, ask me anything about my shooting, or I don't know, advice on anything really, then leave a comment. I try and reply to every single one of them. Sometimes I get comments that get deleted straight away, but just bear in mind I can still see those comments. So yeah, it's a weird one. I don't know why you comment and then delete them. So. Anyway, I'm waffling, so I'll see you in the next one. It's really sore. Just feels weird.